Room service, good morning. This is Angela speaking. How may I help you?
Can I order food?
Certainly, sir, but before I take your order, do you have your menu with you? It is located on table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
Julius BJ, room 17.
Thank you for that information, Mr. Julius of room 17. May I get your order, please?
Continental breakfast. One croissant served with butter and one orange juice.
May I suggest to you a whole apple or fresh fruit?
No thanks.
Is there anything else that you would like to add? May I repeat your order? Your order for continental breakfast is 1 orange juice, 1 croissant, served with butter. Did I get your order right?
Yes.
Please be advised that your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. The total amount of your bill is 400 pesos. Would you prefer to pay it cash or change to your room?
Pay in cash.
Is there anything else that I can help with you?
No.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Good day, I'm Angela. Your room service attendant for today. Are you Julius of room 10?
Yes.
Would you like to put the tray on table for you?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir, here's your croissant served with butter and your orange juice. Your meal. Excuse me, sir, would you like to open the television for you?
Yes.
How about the temperature of your air condition?
Yes.
Would you like to open the curtain for you?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir, I would like to present you your bill. Your bill is 400 pesos. Thank you, may I receive 500? Enjoy your meal. Have a nice day. Thank you.